Hello guys, this is the Happsters. So today we are making some pork sinigang, which is a popular dish from the Philippines. I have pork belly with some bones with that. I think it's a country slices of pork. And the pork belly right here, of course, a little bit of fats. But anyway, I have all my fresh ingredients right here. Of course, your typical Filipino dish always comes with fresh veggies. And also, I like to use these mustard greens because it just gives it different flavors than your normal cabbage. So yeah, this is the Happsters trying to make her Filipino food again. So please check it out. Thank you all for watching my videos and also support to this channel. Thank you so much. Aloha. So here I sliced up all the pork in cubes. And this is bone. So that's how I sliced up my pork belly. Now it's in there just enough to cover the meat, and I will turn the stove. So guys, this is why I like to pre-boil the meat prior to cooking, because with all that foam there, it doesn't taste good. So I will drain this and put another water in there to boil. Then I start my cooking process that way. Yeah. Then start adding my garlic, my shallots. These are shallots, and my tomatoes. Here you go. And we'll bring it to boil and put the rest of my vegetables in until it's softened the meat. So I'm adding a few peppercorns, then my sea salt. I like using sea salt. There you go, sea salt. I put my sour mix. There you go. And put jalapeno peppers. It's good. It's good. So I put my veggies. This is the finished product. My Filipino sinigang, pork sinigang with pork belly and some country style ribs on there. Yeah, with it. So there you go, guys. Time to eat. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate your support to this channel. Let's eat. Aloha. Love, love, love.